Hi, I'm Rachel, founder of HipMaps, and I want to share with you real quick how the versatility of HipMaps with our custom maps and smartphone app is a really unique way to amplify your marketing strategies and enhance your visitor experience to your area. These are used by chambers of commerce, visitors bureau, DMOs, CVBs, everybody who would like to showcase their area and attract business to their area, whether that be for sports events or festivals or meetings and events. We can help highlight the greatest things about your place, and it's very versatile because you get to choose what you would like to show on your map, and you choose it based on the goals of the map. So let me show you a couple of examples. This is obviously a beer trail. We do all kinds of trails for food and drink, very popular. Here's a historical walking tour of downtown Fredericksburg, Texas, and an art walk in Sonoma, California, where the venues and the artists at the venues change every single month. There's, like I said, sports complexes are really wonderful. You can zoom way out and share recommendations in the area, or you can zoom in and have it be more of a logistical map. Whatever you would like to highlight and showcase, you design these with your style and branding, and they all have this in common. This is a QR code that folks scan, one click, real easy. They download the HipMaps app, and then they enter the access code that is specific to your map. So let me show you my phone. Here's the HipMaps app. That's the only time that you're going to see the HipMaps branding. So you enter the access code, and up pops your map on your visitor's phone. And the first thing that you'll notice is this little blue dot. I'm going to zoom in on it. This is my real-time location. So as your guests and visitors are exploring the area, they are going to see where they are on your map at all times. So they're going to have a much better time planning their stay, navigating a festival, making sure they don't miss anything amazing. It's a really wonderful tool, especially for folks who can't read a paper map. And the younger generations in particular, not to pick on them, but they love everything on their phone and they love this navigational tool. The other really cool thing about our app is how we can enhance the connection between you and your visitors or your attendees with this down here. Click here for list and directions. This pulls up a list of everything that's on the map along with your comment about each place. So whether you are putting in here logistical things that help with navigating an event or a festival or a tournament, or you are highlighting local businesses to draw more people to the locally owned businesses, it's completely up to you. Just like what you would like to show on the map is up to you, what you would like to say about each place is up to you. So for example, Sunflower Cafe, amazing breakfast and lunch with a lovely back patio. If there is a line, it is worth the wait. Great insider scoop. If someone wants to learn a little more, they click on the World button and it pulls up the website so they can check out open hours or menus or make reservations, purchase tickets. And then the button on the left will pull up directions. And this opens up in either Apple Maps or Google Maps. So they're an interface that they are familiar with. So again, the versatility in a very unique way helps you highlight and promote and drive connection and tell the story of your town. So would love to chat with you. Brainstorming is one of my favorite things to do. So let's hop on a call and we'll figure out how we can best help you. Thank you. Hi.